what right do we, as patients and family, have to ask when they go into hospital or the nurse comes into the house to treat my husband? What right do we have to ask them to say, have you been vaccinated? Or do they say, I'm sorry, that's a personal thing, I don't need to tell you?
Well, that is the problem at the moment. That is a grey area, isn't it, Gemma?
I think apparently there is a legal basis, and they are looking at it, that you should have the right, because it's all about safe care of patients. So actually, as a patient, I think you do have the right to ask. And I'd imagine that if a health worker says none of your business, then they're kind of answering that question anyway.
Yeah.
Well,
and wearing a badge
maybe
is an option, isn't it? Yasmin was on the show last week. She said, why not wear a badge? She says, I'm not vaccinated, or I'm vaccinated, if you're a health worker.
Isn't that going to sort of create more of that them and us sort of scenario where people are then fighting in the NHS, the very place where you're supposed to be going to get healed, Hilary?
It makes the position much clearer.